Hey guys, is your personal credit score too low? Here's how to get business credit. In this video, I'll walk you step by step on how to get business credit with bad personal credit. Yes, it's 100% possible. If you've ever been told that you can't get business credit because your personal credit is bad, I'm here to tell you that's a lie. I'm living proof. Hundreds of entrepreneurs have been helped to build strong business credit without a good FICO score, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same step by step. Bad personal credit isn't a dead end. It's a detour, and if you follow the right steps, you can drive straight into thousands of dollars in business funding without using your personal credit as a crutch. Let's break it down as you'll follow me. You can take notes, pause the video, write information down, and step by step just follow the information because it's a blueprint that works. Step number 1, understand business credit versus personal credit. Before we dive into how to build business credit, you need to understand the difference between personal and business credit. Personal credit is tied to you as an individual. It's monitored by Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Your FICO score reflects how you handle things like personal loans, credit cards, and debt usage. Business credit, on the other hand, is tied to your company. It has its own credit profile and is reported to agencies like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Here's the kicker. Business credit doesn't care about your personal credit the same way lenders on personal side do. For example, if you max out a personal credit card, your score tanks. But if you use 100% of a business credit card and make payments on time, you're rewarded for responsible use. The rules are totally different, and that's what makes this opportunity so powerful. Step number 2, set up your business the right way. If you want real business credit, you need to create a real business identity. This is crucial. So, in order to build your business credit, follow these steps. Set up your business the right way. Here's your business credit foundation checklist. 1. Register your business. LLC, S Corp, C Corp, or DBA. Choose what fits. Number 2. Get an EIN, an employer identification number, from irs.gov. It's 100% free. 3. Open a business bank account. 4. Set up a business phone number and professional email address. 5. Create a simple website with your business name and domain name. 6. Get a business address. You can use a virtual office if needed. When lenders look you up, you want your business to look real, active, and established. Think of this as your business resume. No lender will take a business seriously if it doesn't look official. Remember guys, follow these steps. This is a blueprint to what works. It works for me and many others, and it can work for you also. Step 3. Open accounts that don't check personal credit. Here's where it gets fun. You can start building business credit, even get funding without a personal credit check by working with companies that care about business activity and not your FICO score. Pay attention, guys. Here are 3 game changers. Companies like PayPal Working Capital. You can get yourself a PayPal Working Capital. They don't care about your FICO score. Square Capital. Cabbage, now part of American Express. These are 3 companies that you can easily get working capital from. This platform will lend to your business even if your personal credit is in the 500s. They don't care if you have high personal credit score. As long as they see you're actively using your business account with them, they will give you working capital. Pro tip here. Open business accounts with these companies and start generating activity. Send invoices, receive payments through them, send invoices through them, receive payments through them, and keep money moving. After 90 days of activity, you could get an offer for $5,000 or $10,000 plus in business credit. A colleague of mine with a 580 credit score got $10,000 from PayPal after just 3 months of activity. Please understand, no personal guarantee required. Step 4. Use vendor credit to build business credit history. Want to build credit fast? Start with vendor credit lines. These are companies that sell your products and let you pay later. Let me repeat that. These are companies that sell you products and let you pay later, typically with net 30 or net 60 terms. The key is to use vendors that report to business credit bureaus, so you're building a score as you pay them off. Now, my top 3 vendor accounts for beginners are Uline. They deal with shipping, packaging, and office supplies. Quill, which deals with office products, and Granger. They deal with tools, safety gears, and supplies. Make a few small purchases, over $50, pay them off on time, and they'll start reporting to Dun & Bradstreet, the business credit bureau that matters most. Okay, so when you make a small purchase with them for over $50 and you pay them off on time, if you can pay early, that's fine, even better for you. What they'll start doing is they'll start reporting to Dun & Bradstreet, and this is a credit bureau that matters the most. Do this right and you'll establish positive trade lines in just 30 to 60 days. Step 5. Secure credit with a business savings loan. Here's another powerful strategy that works with bad personal credit. The secured savings loan. Now, how it works. 1. Open a business savings account. Deposit between $500 to $1,500. 3. Ask your bank for a secured loan using your savings as collateral. 4. They give you a loan for the same amount you deposited. You then make small monthly payments which gets reported. This simple move creates a positive installment loan on your business credit report. You're using your own money to borrow and build credit at the same time. It works with major banks like Wells Fargo, Chase, and most credit unions. Now let's jump down to step 6. Climb the credit ladder. No PG required. Once you've got in, a few positive trade lines, some payment history with lenders like PayPal or Square, a business checking savings loan on the books, you're now ready to level up. In 3 to 6 months, you can start applying for fleet cards, gas cards like Chevron, Shell, and WEX, store cards like Amazon, Home Depot, and Walmart, retail credit lines with no personal guarantee. Eventually, this leads to Visa and MasterCard business credit cards in your company's name. Again, no personal guarantee. That's the goal. And the beauty of it is once you've done it for one business, you can then duplicate the process over and over again. You can do this for as many businesses which you have started. Now, final thoughts. Bad credit is not the end. I get it. Bad credit can feel like a cloud that follows you everywhere, but the truth is your business doesn't have to carry that burden. Business credit is a separate world with separate rules, and now you have the blueprint to thrive in that world. So if somebody tells you you can build credit with credit, so if someone tells you you can't build business credit with bad personal credit, you can smile and say, watch me. Now, if you found this helpful, don't stop here. Go check out my other follow-up guide on how business credit scores really work. It's the next step in mastering the game. Now, if you've gained some value from this video, please subscribe to this channel and please click on the thumbs up button to leave us a like. You will be helping us to grow this this channel, I should say. I thank you so much for your support, and if you have some information that you would like to share, you might want to add something to this video. You can do so by leaving your comment in the comment section so that the person who is going to be watching this video can see your comment and gain value from it. Be on the lookout for our next videos, but until then, please be safe.